TOUS UR FAKTS. Why has the world treated me as such? Why? What have been kids of the summer of this? Why? This is Tougrand, an 18-year-old learner with no friends. He stays inside most of his days to try and create successful YouTube videos, but he is unfortunately out of luck. After his first year on YouTube, he was going somewhere, but now he is on the decline, with only a mere fifth of the views he used to have and barely any subscribers. Out of frustration, Tougrand decides to look outside from his window to find any inspiration for a potentially unique video idea. As he looked outside, he wondered about what his life was, where it might go. Why did God make him alone? Why was he alone in the first place? Such questions have really plagued Tougrand's life, especially his YouTube channel. After some thinking, he got an idea. An idea to cheer up perhaps, and take some fresh air.
Bye, see you later.
Can you see the sun is shining on me? It makes me feel so free, so alive. It makes me want to survive. And the sky, it makes me feel so high. The bad times pass me by, 'cause today it's gonna be a brighter day. Can you feel the sunshine? Does it brighten up the day? Don't you feel that sometimes you just need to run away? Reach out for the sunshine, forget about the rain. Just think about the good times, and they will come back again.
А где я? А? Чё? Могу говорить по-русски? Ну, как это возможно? Никогда это изучал. И что за это место? Почему все имеет неправильный цвет? Что там выглядит вверх? читаю. Ну, где я? Или когда? Я не знаю даже.
Здесь Фруция. И дата 2034 года. Начинатор.
Чё? Кто вы?
Я Пенселич. Я полицейский города здесь. Чего хочешь? И почему ты появилась из облака? Как начинатор.
I only speak English.
I speak English too. We have stuff to talk about, mate.
Je parle seulement français, moi.
Viens avec moi, mon cœur.
Ich kann nur Deutsch sprechen.
Oh ja, das ist so gut. Kann ich auch Deutsch sprechen?
Hablo solo español.
¿Crees que soy un perro de caca?
Parlo solo in italiano.
Vuoi giocare de lingue serie?
我只会说中文。
Vuoi Dongguan? Chatsuma?
Cartulos Velabarakov.
Odjachna. Какого балабараков?
私は日本語話します。
Leokashite kudasai.
Mi parolas no Esperanton.
Viuču Esperanto.
Oh. Люди не со мной посади вас.
Где? Пойди сюда, едоковец! Раку близко.
Помоги меня!
О! Тебе нашел. Почти забыл о тебе. Ну даже. Почему я здесь даже?
Близко. Где ты? И свой апельсины. Ха-ха! Тебе нашел! Что ты будешь воду? Вот. Что было? Чё? Ну, чё? Я не знаю, что будет случилось. Не знаю, я не понимаю. Где
Слушай,
Чё?
со своим единственным вкусом и химией.
Вы trop stylé maintenant, mon mec! Oh oh! Time to change history!
Now that Tougrant is a four-dimensional being, he decides to go back to his old dimension, and to travel back through time to try and create a better future where he has more friends and more views.
can I change? No. No.
Yeah, of course, I want to be like that. I want to be nice and strong, you know? Ooh, I love you, Satan.
Love you too.
Or Snake. I don't know who you are, but you seem like a nice guy.
Pretty fat one, ready?
Hey, Adam.
What's this?
There's food. I know it's an apple from some sort of godly bean snake.
Really?
You know how it
I want
tastes?
a taste of that. Oh, yeah. Put that in your mouth. Put it in. Oh, yeah. What you gonna do now?
No! He's trying to get you to sin! The apple will ruin humanity! Please! No!
Serious?
What? It's time they want to win. Que pelo de la pasión.
No, what? Oh, I'm not Satan's evil twin. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I agree, sis. But, whoa, he looks so good. Oh, yeah, dang.
What's that, really? Why?
No. He is so ugly. Look at him. He looks like an idiot. Just run.
Yeah, it's red.
Sheesh, you don't look very nice.
I've been waiting for you, my savior.
God? Is that really you?
Yes, it is me.
God? Is that really you?
Yes, it is me. Let me explain. It is me, God. I've sent you here to stop sin. Literally, the worst sin that's ever happened, of course.
I was one to stop sin?
Yes, you were.
Why?
How do you feel?
I feel so
Good, I take it.
good. Yes, get out of my way, plant.
That's not very nice of you. Do you feel alone?
No, of course I'm not alone. I have you. I love you.
Yes, you've got me, yes. But I want you now to do one final little mission. Go to a tree in life and eat it for your people.
I love you so much.
Yes, I listen for love, but go to a tree of life.
I will.
Go to a tree of
Okay,
life.
fine. I'm gonna eat from that tree. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
eat it good. Oh yeah.
Okay, fine.
Now pray
I'm here
for
now.
the fruit
I'm
of life.
Come on. Give me the fruit of good from a tree of life. I don't want humanity to feel sin anymore. Please. Give me the fruit of life. Please.
Prayer received.
What?
What do you think?
Why is it oatmeal?
Because it is, that's why. Don't save humanity or not.
Okay then, fine. To save humanity, I will do it. Okay. Bon appetit.
You too. No more one thing, yes. Nibble. Yes. Nibble. How was it?
What was that? You got
The fruit, of
Why
course.
am I? What the frick is happening?
Simply enough. The demons are entering the world. Oh no.
What?
But don't worry, I will protect you from them. Just have faith and you'll be saved.
Well, now because I'm a 4D being, I'm basically like
Yes,
God.
exactly.
So, oh, fuck that. I'm gonna do this myself.
Good shit.
Oh, okay, I've got rid of all those stupid demons.
Tigro, why?
What?
Why did you stop sin? It was meant for a reason. Now that you've stopped it, there is no going back.
Ah! What was that? Oh! Back. Okay. Let's get back home now, I guess, now. Okay. Everything looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty okay, so let me go home now. I love you, tree. Oh, hey, bud. Want to join us?
With a maneuvering of Satan, Tougron was tricked into thinking God lured him to the tree of life, thinking that he was the one who stopped sin. But in all, he dismantled the universe, ruining God's creation for the foreseeable future. Now Tougron must live in a world where he and the trees are lovers, and forever he will have to pay the consequences of what he has done.
Hey everyone, TOUS UR FAKTS here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. The message which I tried to get across with this video was to not change the past. Things happen for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Even if you might not see it at that time, it is meant for something forward, because if those bad things wouldn't have happened, greater things wouldn't have came after. Something that we really overlook because of course we are not four-dimensional beings. We don't know the future. And we don't know reasons why things happen. But please, I remind you that things happen for a reason. If you are new to my channel, I really appreciate it if you subscribe, like and share this message for a smaller generation. Not only for me, but for you. I've got many cool videos in the making and already on my channel, which you can click from the link below. So, as always, love you for watching, can't wait to see you next time, and goodbye!